COVID-19 hasn't stopped frontline workers from helping during emergencies. Fox 55's Mallory Beard is live at the Fort Wayne Fire Station in downtown Fort Wayne to tell us how first responders are protecting themselves from the virus too.
Yes, Chris, now after speaking with local fire and police, there was a common thread. Continue to serve the community and go on priority runs, but just take more safety precautions before heading out.
It's been a challenge, but I think my people are rising to the occasion and doing a great job, so I think we're going to be fine.
Fort Wayne Fire Department's Deputy Chief Adam O'Connor says his staff quickly adjusted to the COVID-19 pandemic, but not without challenges.
First, it was the PPE, which was very hard to find. All the major suppliers immediately shut down any distribution except for to the federal government in March.
He says 49 firefighters had to be quarantined in September for precautions, the most drastic gap in staffing since the pandemic hit Fort Wayne.
We had 1 or 2 firefighters that were positive. They worked at bigger stations like this that have 8 firefighters, and they put a lot of people on quarantine.
O'Connor says the department has used 10,000 sets of protective coveralls since March, just one of many adjustments local first responders have made because of COVID-19.
His N95 mask to protect his lungs, and a pair of goggles to protect his eyes, and then he's going to wear gloves just like he would for every other patient.
Fort Wayne Police Department Sophia Rosales-Catina says many officers are concerned for their loved ones at this point.
I don't think we really think about ourselves at this point, but what are we taking home to our children, our wives, our husbands, our significant others, and our parents?
She says almost 30 officers have tested positive for the virus.
We have only had a handful of people that have had serious symptoms and health complications.
But most have returned to work healthy within a couple of weeks.
So we have had a little bit of staffing. We're able to cover it at this point. We're not in any kind of dire straits or anything like that. But it is something that we do have to consider in our staffing levels and in the types of reports that we are going to go take.
Now, Fort Wayne Police's Sophia Rosales-Catina says they will continue to go on priority runs, but they will handle reports over the phone if need be, and they ask for the public's cooperation with those. Reporting live in Fort Wayne, I'm Mallory Beard, Fox 55 News.